Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn alphabets A to Z. Kids class name: red color, yellow color, dark green color, blue color, light green color, black color. Kids, now coloring alphabets A to Z. Kids, first draw A. A for apple, A for aeroplane, and use red color. B. B for ball, B for bat. C. C for cat, C for car. Kids, again use red color and draw D. D for dog, D for doll. Kids, now draw E. E for egg, E for elephant. The alphabets of E, and use yellow color. F. F for fish, F for fan. Kids, again use yellow color and draw G. G for goat, G for grapes. Kids, now draw H. H for hen, H for helicopter. Kids, now draw I. I for ice, I for ice cream, and use dark green color. J. J for joker, J for jackfruit. K. K for kite, K for king. Kids, now draw L. L for lion, L for lemon, and use blue color. M. M for moon, M for mango. N. N for nose, N for nest. O. O for orange, O for octopus. Kids, now draw P. P for parrot, P for penguin, and use green color. Q. Q for queen, Q for quail. Kids, now draw R. R for rose, R for rice, and use black color. S. S for sun, S for snake. T. T for teacher, T for tiger. Kids, now draw U. U for umbrella, U for uncle, and use red color. V. V for van, V for vanilla. W. W for wolf, W for watch. Kids, now draw X. X for X-ray, X for Xmas tree, and use yellow color. Y. Y for yak, Y for yo-yo. Z. Z for zoo, Z for zebra. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.